What if the only thing standing between you and a lighter, freer life is your own mind? In Joseph Nguyen's book, Don't Believe Everything You Think, Why Your Thinking is the Beginning and End of Suffering, he reveals a bold idea. It's not life's circumstances that weigh us down, but the stories we tell ourselves. Imagine a reality shaped more by our own minds than by what's happening around us. Sound freeing, or maybe a bit frightening? Nguyen suggests that much of our suffering isn't caused by what happens to us, but by how we think about it. Think of your mind like a lens that can make things seem bigger, scarier, or harder than they are. Each day we walk with self-doubt, insecurities, and expectations like, I'm not enough, or I have to be perfect. How different would life feel if letting go of these thoughts set us free? Here's a question. What if you don't have to believe every thought that crosses your mind? Nguyen explains that our inner narrative often exaggerates reality, making things appear worse. We worry over thoughts like, what if I fail? Or, do they really accept me? Yet many fears fade under scrutiny. They feel real, but is every feeling a fact? How do we free ourselves from this mental loop? Nguyen encourages us to observe our thoughts instead of reacting. Imagine sitting quietly as thoughts float by like small lanterns, some glowing bright, others fading out. No need to grab them or label them, just let them pass. This practice of watching creates space where calm and clarity can live. Nguyen reveals a surprising truth. We find peace not by controlling every thought, but by letting go. It seems strange, right? But think of it like releasing a heavy weight you've been carrying. Unnecessary control can be just that. By letting go, we make space for what really matters, and peace takes root. Nguyen warns us of the trap of overthinking. A small doubt, what if, can snowball, gathering fears and regrets until it becomes overwhelming. Overthinking rarely brings answers, it just adds stress. Sometimes, the best action is inaction. Imagine observing your thoughts without getting tangled in them. By practicing awareness, we step back and view thoughts as just that. Thoughts, not truths. Instead of reacting, we simply watch them drift by, finding a calm sense of self beyond the clutter. With this, we free ourselves from mental noise. Nguyen offers 3 powerful steps for a life with less mental suffering. 1. Awareness. Notice your thoughts without judgment, especially when stress is high. 2. Let go. Release the need to control or analyze each thought. Allow some to pass. 3. Self-compassion. Be kind to yourself like you would to a close friend on this journey toward inner peace. Are you ready to take that first step toward a mind free from worry?